The National Storm Channel with another update on the tornadic situation down in Pontotoc County. And now I'm concerned about another circulation that's developing in north central Hughes County. Let's take a look at radar and show you what's going on. First, we're going to talk about the Hughes County situation because these type of circulations can form very quickly in a very short period of time. And you can see what I'm talking about here, just about 2 miles east of Highway 75 and about maybe 6 miles southeast of Wetumpka or southeast of Wetumpka. You can see the bright colors here. This is a circulation that has developed in just the last few passes of the radar beam. So this could be a developing tornado there in northern Hughes County, south of Wetumpka, that's going to move over towards the community of Carson and north of Lamar. So if you live north of Lamar, in and around the Carson area, in that northeastern corner of Hughes County, south of State Highway 9, there is a circulation that could develop into a small tornado in the next few minutes. So if you're living in that area, severe thunderstorm warning is in effect, but go ahead and take your tornado precautions as the winds are circulating in such a way that it can do damage similar to a small tornado. Now, further north of that point, we have some very strong gusty winds moving through Walika right now, approaching Dustin in extreme northeastern Hughes County, and then that will eventually move over into western McIntosh County around Hannah over the next half hour. But it's most urgent for the folks north of Lamar, south of Highway 9, in that northeastern corner of Hughes County. There is a circulation that may be trying to develop in that area. Then further to the south, it appears there might be another circulation south and east of Holdenville, south of US Highway 270, west of Horntown. Another circulation may be forming right there. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. And then, of course, we have the supercell with the tornado warning now moving into southern parts of Ada. And I'm going to zoom in on that and show you what's going on with that. This is getting ready to cross State Highway 1, where basically County Road 1570 intersects State Highway 1 south or near Latta, which is on the southern side of Ada. You can see a circulation very clearly on radar right there. So if you live in Latta, southern Ada, over towards the Chickasha Nation Medical Center, there on the southeastern side of Ada, you are in the path of this tornadic circulation. Tornado warning continues for that particular storm. And if we throw on the reflectivity, you can see that there is a very distinct hook echo right there on State Highway 1, moving to the north and east. And if we look at the normalized rotation, you can see the bright colors there. That is indicative of a tornadic circulation in that particular area. The good news is, looking at the correlation coefficient, we're not getting a clear signal of debris, but it's going to be very, very close. But if you live in Ada, especially on the southern and eastern sides of Ada, you've got to be in your tornado safe spot right now as that tornado warning continues, and the circulation, of course, continues for that particular storm as well. Stay with us, of course, and we'll keep you advised as long as there is a threat. But again, we're also watching these circulations along the leading edge of the squall line. There's this circulation right here to the north and west of Lamar, and one moving into Horntown on the southern side of Horntown right now in central Hughes County. Stay with us and we'll keep advised.